Precision doesn't begin with tools. It begins with repetition. Rome did not build perfectly aligned structures because it had advanced machines. It built them because it repeated the same motion thousands of times, without deviation. When effort becomes disciplined, accuracy becomes inevitable. When people see Roman structures still standing today, they often assume hidden technology was involved. They imagine unknown tools, advanced mechanisms, lost techniques. But this assumption reveals more about modern impatience than ancient capability. Rome did not rely on extraordinary machinery. It relied on extraordinary discipline. The illusion of mystery begins when we underestimate repetition and overestimate innovation. Precision feels modern to us because we associate it with machines. But machines are simply tools that automate consistency. Rome achieved consistency through human systems. What appears miraculous is often just organized persistence applied over time. Accuracy does not emerge from complexity. It emerges from refinement. When the same task is performed again and again under supervision, small deviations disappear. A stone adjusted once may be uneven. Adjusted 100 times, it becomes aligned. Repetition compresses error. Roman construction was not chaotic labor. It was rhythmic, measured, controlled. Every block placed followed previous alignment. Each correction reduced future correction. Over thousands of placements, imperfection naturally shrinks. Precision
Now,
becomes
raise
a
the next
byproduct
course.
of disciplined iteration.
Heave. Hup.
Not every
Heave.
worker did everything. Roles were divided. Some transported. Some positioned. Some measured. Some supervised. This division reduced cognitive overload. When a worker focuses on one action repeatedly, improvement becomes exponential. Specialization accelerates accuracy. Rome did not depend on individual brilliance. It depended on distributed competence. When each layer of labor reinforces the next, the entire structure gains structural coherence. Wooden guides, plumb lines, chalk markings, measurement rods. These tools were simple, but simplicity is not weakness. Simplicity scales. The fewer variables involved, the fewer opportunities for deviation. The modern mind searches for hidden mechanisms. But ancient builders reduced complexity instead of increasing it. The simpler the process, the more repeatable it becomes. And what is repeatable becomes reliable. Precision requires correction. Correction requires observation. Roman sites were not silent masses of labor. They were supervised environments. Experienced overseers adjusted minor errors before they compounded. This is what prevents collapse. A single misalignment corrected early saves hundreds of future corrections. Precision is not achieved at the end. It is maintained continuously. No structure is perfect at the moment of placement. But when deviation per layer is microscopic, the final result appears flawless. The secret is not perfection. It is minimizing deviation repeatedly. Rome understood tolerance. Instead of eliminating error completely, it distributed error across thousands of micro-adjustments. That is why arches align. That is why walls remain stable. Modern construction prioritizes speed. Rome prioritized durability. Speed amplifies error. Consistency reduces it. When time is abundant, correction becomes affordable. Patience is an engineering tool. Precision is not the result of urgency. It is the result of measured pace. Perfect alignment communicates stability. Stability communicates power. When citizens stood beneath Roman arches, they did not see measurement lines. They felt permanence. Precision is psychological. It reinforces trust in structure. And trust reinforces authority. It was not hidden technology. It was not mystery. It was not advanced machines. It was coordination, repetition, supervision, time. Precision was the outcome of systems, not secrets. And systems, once understood, are no longer mysterious.